me feels right. This is my prayer in my hunger and need. My God is the God who provides. And this is my prayer in the fire and weakness or trial or pain. There is a faith proof of more worth than gold, so refine me, Lord, through the flame. I will bring praise, I will bring praise. No weapon formed against me shall remain. I will rejoice, I will declare, God is my victory and He is here. And this is my prayer in the battle, when triumph is still on its way. I am a conqueror and quarter with Christ, so firm on His promise I'll stand. Will bring praise, I will bring praise. No weapon formed against me shall remain. I will rejoice, I will declare, God is my victory and He is here. All of my life, in every season, You are still God. I have a reason to sing. I have a reason to worship. All of my life, in every season, You are still God. I have a reason to sing. I have a reason to worship. All of my life, in every season, You are still God. I have a reason to sing. I have a reason to worship. All of my life, in every season, You are still God. I have a reason to sing. I have a reason to worship. And I will bring praise, I will bring praise. No weapon formed against
Lord.
me
Hallelujah.
shall remain. I will rejoice, I will declare, God is my victory and He is here. And I will bring praise, I will bring praise. No weapon formed against me shall remain. I will rejoice, I will declare, God is my victory and He is here. This is my prayer in the harvest, when favor and providence flow. I know I feel to be empty again. The seed I've received I will sow.